Hi, my name is Zaina and I'm here gonna explain you briefly about Meiji Restoration. Before Meiji Restoration, the Tokugawa Bakufu ruled the nation with its closed-door policy from outside world, or sakoku. But later on, the late Bakufu was felt to reform Western powers since Perez from the United States came to Japan and demanded to open the country to trade between nations. That later on, they established the Treaty of Kanagawa and followed by England, Russia, Netherlands, and France to make similar agreement. Meiji Restoration is known as Meiji Revolution is political revolution back to Japan's history in 1868 to 1912. It is known as Meiji Revolution for Japan's economic, social, cultural, education, and many other aspects that brought the modernization and westernization. But they still managed to have the grip to hold their identity and cultural as Japanese that passed on Confucianism, Bushido, and Shinto. In Meiji Restoration, they brought advancement to many aspects in order to strengthen the country. In military, they seek to form national army and modern military system. And in education, Meiji leaders believe on the importance of education by establishing the education system ordinance or gakusei in 1872. In economic development, the government played a major role in creating and stimulating modern economic growth. They focused on modern agriculture and establishing modern industries and producing household staples. They also focused on developing mining industry and so on. But the most important thing in advancing economic growth is because of the Zaibatsu. Zaibatsu is the cooperation of big merchants, families such as Mitsui, Mitsubishi, Sumitomo, and Yasuda. Zaibatsu played a major role in increasing the value of Japanese exports and imports and making Japan play an important role in world economy throughout the era. That's it for me. Thank you for watching.